So for today's problem, we'll be finding on how to simplify the secant cubed minus secant squared minus secant plus 1. So at first it may look overwhelming, but however, if you look at it like through a variable perspective, you can see that it's almost similar to what we've done before, where we grouped when it came to problems like this, where we just group together. So that's what we're going to be doing, the same over here. So first we're going to have to factor out by grouping. So for here, we can take out a secant squared. We can take out a secant squared, and then that'll leave us with secant x minus 1. And then over here, we can take out a negative 1. And then that'll leave us with the same thing, which is secant x minus 1. And then if we take these two, put it together, it'll give us secant squared minus 1. And then if we take this one, it'll be secant x minus 1. So we're almost there, and then if we remember from our helpful hexagon, we remember that in this one it's part of the Pythagorean theory. Identity, in which secant squared minus 1 is equal to tangent x squared. So if we just take that one and just replace this one with this one, we can get tangent squared parentheses times the secant x minus 1. So basically, in conclusion, if we write it all out, so we take what we were given, secant cubed minus secant squared minus secant plus 1 is equal to our answer, which is parentheses tangent squared times secant x minus 1. And then that is our final answer.